Good afternoon, everyone. So, am I audible and my screen is visible to you all? Good afternoon. Great. That's great. I'm getting wonderful reply from everyone. Good afternoon once again and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. First of all, warm welcome to you all at Commodity Pathshala, right? A new series which I have started to discuss about live commodity markets, the recent commodity trends worldwide as well as specific to India. As we know, these commodities are being traded globally. So we are going to discuss plenty of things related to commodities. Yeah, and the commodity traders or interested market participants can connect with me. We can discuss commodity market trends, we can discuss technicals, fundamentals, currency fluctuations, and a lot more. Hope you all are enjoying the series, and I'm really glad to see huge number of attendees have joined today to learn something new, to evaluate something new. That's amazing. Yes, I can see that many members are the fresh members and those who are attending this series for the first time. So before going ahead and laying down today's agenda point, let me have a quick introduction about myself. I'm Hiral Shah, Chief Mentor and Co-founder at Phoenix Commodities. I've done MBA and I'm MC certified commodity professional and have trained more than 1,000 members under brand name Phoenix Commodities. Yeah, and I'm really glad that all are having gala time trading commodities. And yes, as I told you all, I'm really glad to start this new commodity series, Commodity Pathshala. So those who are new ones, those who are new ones and those who are attending this webinar for first time, I would request them that in the past 5 sessions, today is a part 6, Commodity Pathshala, part 6. So those who have missed previous session, we have discussed live market as well as few fundamentals and technicals in the previous session. Yes, we had also discussed how you can start your financial planning with the new in the new year in commodities. How commodities, see this in this series, I'm going to discuss many points like why commodities, who should learn and invest in commodity market, or why should one bother about commodities, the potential and the scope of commodities as an upcoming segment, and many more such things. So those who have missed, I would request all of you as per the request, and as I've got plenty of requests from the different members, we had uploaded, this is our Phoenix Commodity website, we had uploaded previous webinar or the recordings of the previous webinar, Commodity Pathshala part 1 to part 5 has been uploaded in our website. So please go through this webinar. Definitely you people will be getting plenty of new insights about the commodities and why you should invest in commodities or why one should go with commodity trading. So hopefully the members, those who are new, please take out few minutes or a few hours to go through the previous session. And yes, definitely I'm not going to repeat what we had done in the previous session. So it's a gentle request from my side, especially for the new attendees. And yes, don't miss to be part of our Phoenix Commodity Telegram channel. Here I am showing you people, this is our Phoenix Commodities Telegram channel where you will be getting the constant live updates about the trade, about commodities, as well as the levels of commodities have been regularly posted in this. Be a part of Phoenix Commodities and you will get a plenty of insights in commodities, and as a commodity trader you will be getting a wonderful levels to work on. Is it clear? Yeah, that's true. I am getting wonderful reply from every member. Yeah, that is the fact right now. 1 year has passed and still the situation is not good. Still we are at the same place where we started last year, right? And planning is very important. What do you all say? Planning is very important for anything what we want to achieve. And this recent this COVID pandemic has changed the world dynamics altogether. It has changed the way companies used to work, people used to do business, and right now we are seeing a lot of acceptance towards work from home. Yeah, exactly. A lot of downfall in commercial businesses or real estate businesses, and a lot of dependence on the data plans and the broadband connectivity. It has increased to the great extent. We all are able to communicate seamlessly because of the data plans and the broadband, isn't it? Yeah, so most of the traditional business are out of business and earnings, and there are few earning. They are earning like mad. Hospitals, laboratories, grocery stores, consumer goods, e-tech companies who can easily adapt and scale to digitization. They are adapting these new things and they are gaining wonderful, uh, and definitely they are getting an advantage over this. So as a common man, as a novice or as a common man, sooner we adapt to newer dynamics, sooner we will be financially secured. Am I right? How many of you agree with this point? We need to change along with the time, and the sooner we will accept this change, definitely we will be able to achieve whatever we want. Correct? Yeah, and as here I'm getting replies, everyone want some source of secondary income. Everyone want, it's not only secondary source of income, everyone want some sort of uh, online or the virtual money, or I would say online money, not exactly the virtual but the online money. So it is like a trend right now, and everyone wants to some secondary source of income. Nobody wants to depend on the single source of income, and everybody is attracted toward online income as well. So whatever business or the profession you are, you can easily, definitely you people can easily start trading and investment, and you can easily start a trading or investment, as it requires just a mobile phone and a good data plan. I think everybody is having that same thing nowadays. A little bit of money to invest, which one can manage. But here the most important thing is that people fail to understand that the simple thing that if you start without proper knowledge, if you start and jump your trading without any sort of proper knowledge, without learning what are the dynamics or why you are trading the script, how to make a most of it, then you will fall prey to the market mafia sitting on the other side. So there is nothing wrong in doing any sort of trading. Yes, everyone can achieve their own goals. And as I always tell, again, I will like to repeat you or repeat the same thing, that you will never realize when your secondary source of income will surpass your primary income. It is having a huge potential. But please don't jump into this world without investing in learnings. Invest yourself, invest in your learnings before starting your investment or a trading journey. And sky is the limit. If you are dedicated, if you are able to invest, then sky is the limit. I don't want to speak anything further. I can understand that you people all are eager to learn something new. That's great. And let me show you people the last 2 weeks. Yeah, today we are going to start our session. Before starting our session, let me lay down today's agenda point so that you people should get the clarity that what we are going to cover in this today's session. right? So yeah, so today's agenda point are analyzing live MCX market, why technical analysis, why one should learn technical analysis, how this technical analysis and commodity trading are correlated, how technicals are working so beautifully in commodity trading. So yeah, definitely we'll be exploring the technicals here. No, that's not possible that in the few minutes, as I always tell, and the members are every time coming up with the same question. Ma'am, can you please share some good strategy to make profit? Can we will be getting some sort of short strategies that we can work and can mint profits? Hold on for that. I will be answering your question, but today I'm not going to give you that sort of strategies which would be working once and won't be working twice. I don't want you people to fall the prey of that thing. That, see, short-term strategies, you people will be getting hundreds of strategies available in the market or in the YouTube or whatever, but it doesn't give you good accuracy. There is a high possibility to lose. Whenever you start your trading journey, you should keep one thing in your mind: it's easy to earn and easier to lose. All of you should be prepared for that. So there should be no short-term strategies. It should your strategy should be based on the in-depth knowledge of the subject. And once you will start learning from that, once you know what are the pros and the cons of the setup which you are using, then you can make a most of it, and you can have a smooth ride in the market. It's a you yeah, you can easily float in the ocean called market, right? Leading and lagging technical indicators, pitfalls of indicators, and what are the Fibo retracement? Yes, if we are not able to finish all these things in today's session, we'll be carry forwarding the same sort of technical setup and why technical analysis in commodity market, even in upcoming session that has been scheduled on Friday. Yeah, so don't miss to join that as well. Try to join the session live. Those who are going through recordings, try to join our session live so that you people can put up your questions and I can definitely target or can I will even revert you back, as well as I will target my next session on the basis of the questions which you are putting up. Phoenix way of learning. So these are the few of the agenda points of today's session. But before jumping that, yeah, we will be starting with analyzing market, live market. So first of all, this is our Telegram channel, and I think majority of you are part of our Telegram channel. Am I right? If not, then all of you should be part of our Phoenix Commodities Telegram channel. Don't miss that and try to focus over there that what has been given, what the labels are been put up over that. Try to observe this. That's amazing, Uday sir. That's great. Uh, so you people are also observing there are many members who are in Genie. We will be discussing Genie levels as well. So yes, this is a today's market, and before market hours, before market opened, this were the labels put up by our team. All of you can see this team, this labels. Come on. Crude oil buy near 4496 and the opening is expected approximately 4510, and our levels are telling to make a buy entry at a 96. Come on, we will be looking at all the levels been shared by today. Yeah, definitely I'll be showing you people in the charts as well. So just hold on for that. I'll be showing you all in the charts as well. Yeah, sure. Yeah, just opening the Zerodha. It is all open in front of you all. And yes, and I think that in the last session there were many members who were asking me that what can be the next level, what can be. Yes, definitely I'll be sharing with you all the same thing. So today it is a 9 o'clock when market opened. Just check the accuracy of the labels when posted. it is just everything is live and transparent, and everything is in front of you all. And these levels have not been calculated by any fluke, or they are not coming by any sort of magic. Okay, it is been calculated on the basis of the technical setup. Are you all understanding this thing? Yes, the price had opened crude oil. Yes, here you people can see that it opened at 4497 and low mid is 4497. Our crude oil buy levels were 4496. So from the morning itself, it opened at our buy level, and from there you people can see that it has given a 1B upward movement. Yes, during European market open, when European market opens at around 1:30 p.m. These commodities are traded globally, as I told you all. And our market, Indian market, opens at 9 o'clock and ends at 11:35 p.m. Whereas the European market opens at 1:30 p.m. 11:30 p.m. Yeah, London market opens around 2:30 p.m. US market opens in the evening 6:30 p.m. So definitely when this sort of openings will be getting, that would be a little bit of a hunting sort of movement, or and that the spike we have got during European market open. Otherwise it has given a wonderful upward journey. It has given almost 57 points of profit. Isn't it amazing? Come on, I want answers from everyone before going ahead. Yes, you want to check once? Come on, how many of you had taken an advantage of this levels? Come on, tell me, how many of you had traded on this? Yeah, at least revert me back so that I can understand. Yes, the buy was near 4496. SL was 78. First target, second target, and third target. We have already reached to our third target. Every day we are putting up the labels before market hours, and it is giving amazing accuracy. How many of you are observing this, and how many of you are trading on it? Come on, reply me. That's great. I can see wonderful reply from everyone, and hopefully all are enjoying it, right? Did you ever thought, did you ever thought that how it has been calculated before market hours? And though it is calculated before market hours, how the trade levels are working wonderfully for the complete day? Shankar sir, other commodities also, definitely, not only NG and crude oil. Okay, it is for all the commodities. Yeah, definitely, I'm going to discuss all the commodities. Okay, Mayuri, ma'am, right? Mayuri, ma'am. Okay, so I have already got plenty of questions as well as wonderful replies from everyone that yes, technicals are working amazingly in commodities. And this is the wonderful results which I am showing you people. And see, this all things are live and transparent. It's not only for the single day. If you people will go in little bit past, yeah, let me, I'll be reverting everyone's question, so just hold on. I'm just targeting one by one everyone's question. This was a crude oil. Let me finish for the crude oil to me, and they will work. Thanks for that. Wow, Srinivas sir, that's amazing. Are a reference to you, and they are working. That's great, sir. Yeah, it's wonderful to see such a wonderful feedback from everyone, and such a great compliments for Phoenix Commodities free channel as well as Genie labels. Was this calls were given? Yes, Sukanya sir. See, these labels have been put up in our channel, Telegram channel before market hours. At 8:56 a.m. these levels have been put up. See, by this was the today's level which I had shown to you all, and it has given already 57 points of profit, and I am really happy to see that majority of the members are taking an advantage of it. Great. I'm really happy that you people are able to take an advantage of these things, and it is only for you people. That's really we are always happy if you can mint on it. Yeah, Shukanya sir, you can join our Telegram channel. Just that's amazing, Uday sir. That's a wonderful feedback, sir. I'm constantly, yeah. So Uday sir is telling that he is constantly making 4,000 to 5,000 in crude oil every day since the last 12 days. And he started his journey only in this month. Now you people can calculate his profit. Uday sir, you don't need to tell, right? Your profit would be amazing, sir. And the consistency is the key. It is not the profits which we are gaining for a 1 day or a 2 day. You one need to be consistent, right? And you people can join our Telegram channel. Those who are new ones, let me do one thing for you people. Yeah, you people can just check this. This is our Telegram channel, Crude Phoenix Commodities. Here, just check the subscribers of Phoenix Commodities. Those who have not been yet a part of our Telegram channel, be a part of Telegram channel by today itself. So this was the year. Today's level. Now I want to show you something important about the crude, and then I'm jumping to all the commodities. Yeah, so Purushottam sir and Sukanya sir, and you people can reach our support team as well. The numbers are there. They will help you. They will guide you how to be part of our Telegram channel. You can register in our website. You can go through our recordings. Currently for okay, Abhishek sir, right now we are focusing on the MCX chart. Though the cover order and bracket order are still available, sir. Yeah, Allies Blue is allowing to trade in the cover order and bracket order, Abhishek, sir. So yeah, now let me go ahead, and yes, as I'm getting plenty of requests, I'll request just hold on. I'll be answering every questions at the right time. Yeah, definitely. Before that, as tomorrow was a Monday, and let us see what was the levels been posted. Oh, I went little bit behind. What the labels been posted in yesterday's class and in the tomorrow's class. So this is April 7th. We need to go to April 12th. And yes, yesterday's crude label were also posted before market hour. And this is not the case of the 1 or 2 days. Last 2.5 years, we have been posting the labels every day before market hours, and it is working like a magic. It is a continuous process. It is showing our dedication and the commitment towards our work. Our team is working wonderfully, and the technical setup which they are showing, putting up with these levels are being taught in our curriculum. Yes, we are purely into training and grooming members, and our curriculum is such a wonderful which covers all things required to become a pro in commodity trading. So this was the 11th April, and right now I am at the right place, 12th of April. The labels were posted over here. These are the labels of the Monday, yesterday's label, and here you people can see the sell call was given in the morning, sell near 4454, and you people will be surprised to see yesterday's move. This you people can backtest it. Okay, for the past 2 years, if you want to backtest for more than 2 years, everything is there in our Telegram channel. So crude sell was given 4454, copper sell was given at 685. I think somebody was asking me, Srinivas sir, you were asking me for or somebody else was asking me for other commodities as well, Krishna sir. So yes, here you people can see these are the yesterday's label and crude sell call as it was given from 4454. Yes, I'm going to Gini levels as well, and I'll be discussing plenty of other important things. See, we got 24 points. We got the first target in crude oil from 54. It has given all three targets in a crude oil. It is like 4413. And that's amazing, right? We got all the targets in the crude oil, and after that, after booking third target in the crude oil, 36 points, 36 point of profit we got in a crude oil, and after that we had a wonderful start of the week. Copper has given 3 points of profit early in the morning. Here you people can see that how the copper call had worked and has given almost 3 points of profit. Crude oil sell levels had given a 50 points of profit. And it is not only that, story doesn't end over here. Copper level which was been posted in our free channel, it was totally free for everyone. And here you people can see it was before market hours. We had posted advanced level, and see the magic of this. Again, we scored 3.25 points of profit in copper. Now 1 point of profit in copper is giving you 2500 rupees of profit. So 3 points, it's a single trade or a single lot. If you are trading, then it is giving you more than 7500 rupees of profit. And it's not only that, in the evening also copper crude buy levels worked perfectly. Our masters are picking bottom. That all things are different. I'm sharing you the masters trade levels as well. In masters channel yesterday, nickel call, we have scored more than 28 points of profit in nickel. So just check this. The buy levels also worked perfectly. After sell levels, buy was near 4484, and it has made the high almost like a 4531. Again 50 points of profit according to buy levels. These levels are purely for intraday trades. It is just for intraday trades. These commodities are having such a wonderful potential that you can build your capital. You can build your capital. आप अपना capital बना सकते हो commodities में trade करके. Dana sir, I'm just trying to explain in the Hindi. आप छोटे कैपिटल से चालू कर सकते हो, जैसे कि 15,000, 20,000 और 25,000 से चालू कर सकते हो. You need to just focus on intraday trading. Slowly you can increase your capital, and here you people can see that intraday trading again it gave a 50 points of profit by levels. So पूरे दिन में 200 से भी ज्यादा प्रॉफिट हो गए. And that's amazing, right? Yeah, in the silver mini also we scored almost a 600 points of profit. In crude we scored a 72 points of profit. Again in the buy levels, in the sell levels we scored 50 points of profit. So yes, that's true. The potential of commodities is just amazing. You people just take out few minutes to browse the levels which have been posted in Phoenix Commodities free channel as well as the Genie channel. These are the levels which I'm showing you people of yesterday. Okay, every day people are minting it like anything. Every day is they are achieving their target quite easily. Many members would be working on all the commodities. There would be many members those who are working only on the few commodities. But commodities, आप अगर एक दो कमोडिटीज में भी काम करते हो तो आप अपने टारगेट इजीली अचीव कर सकते हो. I know Sukanya sir and Shrikant sir. Now I'm answering to everyone's question. First of all, why these technicals are working so beautifully in commodities? First of all, you all had observed labels which have been posted in free channel, right? In Genie also today we have scored amazing profits. I'll be coming to our Genie channel and Masters channel. We'll be showing the labels and how it has given amazing profits. But before that, I have got a few questions which I need to target. So right now, first of all, let me show you. This is the MCX website which I am opening in front of you all. In commodities, we don't have to focus on hundreds of scripts first of all. Definitely, Srinivas, a little bit of fundamentals and a strong, robust technical setup works like a magic in commodities. Okay, commodities is having such a potential that you can start your capital with the minimum and can increase your capital. You can increase your capital and can invest in a gold, silver, and other commodities as well. See, as an Indian, we are fond of investing in gold and silver. Am I right? Everybody is fond of investing in gold and silver. Mayuri ma'am. Yes, so here you people can build your capital and can invest in gold and silver or other commodities. It is having a all lot of advantages. First of all, we are having very few scripts to focus. Here we are going to just focus on bullions, base metals and energy, crude oil, natural gas, copper, lead, nickel, zinc, gold and silver. That is the index, say by bullion index, metal index, but yet the volumes are not that great. Volumes are yet to pick up. So opportunity curve is too huge in commodities. Within 10 years, we will be seeing the so huge opportunity is coming ahead, and will be seeing the lot of difference in the commodity market which we are having right now. Okay, it is having a huge potential. Now, as we are going to focus on the very less script, we just need to understand its way of working. We just need to pick our convenient time. This commodities work for 14 plus trading hours, and globally they are traded 23 hours a day. See, by let me open this crude oil. Yeah, as we were discussing crude oil, I'm just opening the chart of crude oil. Here you people can see this is the global chart of the crude oil, and our MCX chart is a mirror image of this global chart. It is just the mirror image of this global chart and this globally traded script. Do you people know that the crude oil is the most traded script worldwide? How many of you know that it is the most traded script worldwide? Okay, and when our MCX chart is a mirror image of this globally traded script WTI crude oil, which is traded for 23 hours a day. Now, when our market opens, say by early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and it ends at 11:35 p.m. So we are getting a huge spectrum of time, or we are getting a flexible timings to select our own time as well as our own moves, and we can definitely mint it. Yes, definitely. As I'm getting question, the people who are housewives or engineers, doctors, everyone can take a pie of it, because yeah, because we are getting 14 plus trading hours. Now, I had already shown you people the labels which are being posted in our Phoenix Commodities channel and the magic of those labels, right? So those labels are being based on this WTI chart. Now, Mayuri ma'am, are you there? Yeah, you were asking me that how it is different from equity, or what is this, why we need to learn commodities separately. So this is a complete new segment to trade. Are you understanding? There are a lot of nuances in commodity. If you are trading in two different script of equity, then also there would be a lot of difference, right? Here it is a complete different segment to focus, and the setup or the technical setup which we are using in commodities is such a robust technical setup that can be used in any globally traded script, Indian as well as globally traded script, forex, or whatever script you want to trade. So it is, the setup is based on a globally traded script. Here, this commodity which I showed you people, they are not only traded in India. These commodities are traded globally. And because as they are traded globally, no one can manipulate the prices of crude oil or natural gas, copper, lead, nickel, zinc. Nobody, say by 2 to 3 members of the company or the proprietor of the company can't change, they can't unlike a few scripts, one or two operators or directors cannot rig or dump the prices of these commodities because they are having actual usage. Crude oil is used in everyone's house in some or other form. In the same way, natural gas, same way, copper, lead, nickel are being practically used in industries. No one can manipulate those prices. Manipulation would be almost near to nil, and because of this, technicals works like a magic. Are you all understanding the power of our or the results which I am showing you, people? And these things I'm not only telling, okay, I'm really happy to share with you all that since last 2.5 years, we had maintained an Excel sheet of everyday trade levels which are been posted in Genie, and believe me, the ratio, risk to reward ratio, and the SL or the heat ratio, it's just amazing. I'll show you, people. Don't worry for that. Before going to that, one more thing I would like to show you. See, this is the crude oil and the WTI crude oil chart, as well as the MCX crude oil chart, and this is the USD INR prices. Now here you people can see that how beautifully this our MCX crude oil price, which is a purple line, black line is a WTI crude oil, is for they both are following the same pattern. All of you can see this. And if we are getting a higher high in MCX crude oil, the major reason, as Srinivas sir, you are asking me that are we focusing on other news? Yes, few important news and events. We are focusing on inventories. We are making huge profits on inventories. We also follow few important news related to the commodities, and along with that, a strong, robust technical setup, which is allowing us to make a huge profits. It's like a pinch of fundamentals and a strong robust technical setup which we are following. Is it clear, sir? I'll be showing you. Mayuri ma'am, are you understanding the difference between the segment? It's a complete different segment to trade. Here we are going to focus only few scripts. Again, these scripts are being traded globally. Manipulation would be almost near to nil. So technicals works like a magic. Let me show you, people. So the only difference between this two script is the USD and our price rate. So if the currency is giving a fluctuation, huge fluctuation in USD INR, because we would be buying this commodities in US dollar. So whenever there would be huge fluctuation in currency, then only we will be finding such a sort of difference. Otherwise they follow same sort of pattern, and we are taking an advantage of that. We are ready with our levels before even market opens, and the magic is just in front of you all. I don't need to even say about that. If you people are interested, as I'm getting plenty of that questions, I would suggest you people just go through our Phoenix Commodities testimonial link, and you will be getting the Excel sheet of the Genie for the past 2.5 years. Okay, and just go through that and just check all our intraday trades, and all are based thoroughly on technicals, and just check the accuracy of it, as well as the risk what we are taking for this levels. Yeah, there are many masters. Now, what is Genie and what is Masters channel? So first of all, let me discuss about Masters. Yes, Sachin sir, definitely I'll be answering that. Just a minute. Yes. So first of all, see, till now we had we have from batch 1 to batch 4. Yeah, 14th batch is going on right now. This is the 14th batch members. I'll be showing you. Yeah, am I audible? Is there any issue in audio? It's fine, right? So masters are the members, those who have proved themselves, those who are doing wonderful research analysis. They are being onboarded in masters channel, and they are taking that trades. Along with that, They are sharing their research ideas. They are helping complete Phoenix commodity community to learn and earn together. As I told you yesterday, even masters had just rocked the show. Master Shilpa, Master Milind, they are making, I think Shilpa has made more than 47,000 rupees of profit just in crude. She is our one of the master, and she just nailed it, and she just shared with me. I'll be showing you people. She had uh, because see, it is quite easy to mint this commodities. We don't need to focus on multiple scripts. Again, we just need to understand its way of working. See, by nickel, there are many members, those who are fond of trading in nickel, and they know that in one spike it will be giving 3 to 4 points of profit. They are minting it and coming out of the position. 1 point of profit in nickel is giving 1500 rupees. So 4 points of profit is huge. And I think the members have scored like more than 27 points of profit in nickel. So here you people can see, even in the copper, according to their convenience, whenever they are available, they trade and they share their research ideas, and they help the complete community to learn and earn together. So that is the master's channel. There are many masters. See, by Master Milind, he is a specialist in nickel. There are many members. See, by Ati Sankar Master, he is a specialist in zinc. He started his journey with 7,000 and he multiplied or tripled his capital in no time. In the same way, Master Shilpa, she had recovered all her losses just by trading the few script. In 1 week, she scored more than 6 lakh rupees of profit, and whatever previous loss she recovered and has scored more than that. So this is the power of learnings in commodities. Commodities is having a huge potential. The one who understand and one who is dedicated to work on this and to learn on this, they are just enjoying it. Yes, definitely, because here in the commodities, you can start with less capital. You don't need to focus too much on options and other things. You just need to trade on the futures because options are yet to pick up. So you can start trading just yes, you can just start trading with one or two commodities, and you can achieve your target quite easily. Now Genie channel is an in-house uh, Phoenix team. It gives the levels. It gives all the trade levels based on the same technical setup which we are teaching to our members. Genie is doing wonderful job. You people can just check the accuracy of Genie. Crude we have scored more than 53 points of profit. Gold mini today's level. Just check today's level. Gold mini we have scored almost 175 points of profit. Silver mini we have scored almost 250 points of profit. Copper and nickel revised levels have been put up for the 2 days, and you people can check the Genie. For Genie levels we are maintaining an Excel sheet. Till now we had maintained the Excel sheet of, yes, we had maintained an Excel sheet of Genie trade levels. Each and every trades which are put up in Genie are being put up over here in the Phoenix Commodities testimonials. Sachin sir, you can check the accuracy of the Genie levels of the previous 2.5 years. It has been posted. Every Excel has been posted in our Phoenix Commodities testimonial channel. Okay. Sukanya sir, first of all, you should be part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel. Then contact our support team. They will guide you how you can be part of it. The contact number and everything is there in our Phoenix Commodities free channel, as well as you can just check over here. You'll be get the complete detail about Phoenix Commodities channel. Here you can check the numbers as well. Now from batch 1 to batch 14, Genie is not a group of people, Sachin sir. Genie channel, the Genie members are the people. Yeah, you are talking about the subscribers. These Genie subscribers are not allowed to post any message in Genie. These Genie levels are being put up, are all the advanced levels and are being put up by our in-house team. More than 193 members, more than 200 members, almost 200 members are taking an advantage of these Genie levels on a daily basis. And I'm really glad to share with you all that all are enjoying Genie like anything. Yeah, Uday sir, do you want to say anything about Genie as you are the part of Genie, right? So there are many members, even our batch members. Say by this is a batch 14. Okay, these people are learning right now. The curriculum is going on. The batch 14 classes are going on. Every day we have our classes in the live market, 4:30 to, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. They are learning and earning together. They share their research ideas as well as they are in Genie as well. Genie is helping them because they are using the same technical setup, and the masters channel are helping them to learn and earn together. Masters are also putting up levels, and see these members of batch 14, which is ongoing batch. Every minute I am just browsing this channel in front of you all. I'm just browsing this channel in front of you all. I'm also opening this channel right now. See, if you do your trading alone, then it's always a very lonely business, right? But the like-minded people would be the part of a batch 14. They will join the batch 4. They will be part of batch 14 as well as they will be part of Genie and Masters channel. Their live sessions would be every day in the live market 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. They are implementing their learnings and sharing entry levels, exit levels, sharing where they went wrong, what has worked perfectly for them, how they picked up their trades, and helping others to learn in the same way. So it is like a collaborative learning platform where you can learn and earn together till date. See, here you people can see this is the batch 11. The members of the batch 11 are having gala time trading commodities. Not only batch 1, but if I'll be showing you people batch 1, yeah, batch 1 to batch 9, batch 14, all these groups are really active and they all are trading and learning together. They share each and everything together and they try to make a maximum of their learnings. So it is like if I am knowing 30% and if you are knowing 90%, then collaboratively we are knowing 190%. So this is an advantage of this. Yeah, the technical setup. Now let us come to that as well. As I told you that in commodities, technicals are working amazingly. And what sort of technicals are working? So it is like, first of all, you need to remember one thing, that a proper technical setup, if you are having a strong technical setup, then it is giving amazing accuracy in commodities because they are traded worldwide. And what sort of technical setup? Yeah, let me come back to the presentation. I'm not going to explain you or I'm not going to I will not be able to explain the complete setup right now anyways, but will definitely explain you what is the importance of technical analysis in commodities. I'm just not going through this slide why to learn commodity trading. I'd already discussed all the advantages of trading in commodities. And now why, first of all, why we should be focused on the fundamentals plus technicals. So it is always important, or it is always beneficial to know technicals as well as fundamentals. As Srinivas sir, you were asking me, advantages of being techno fundamental is that we will be getting double confirmation. See, by fundamentally crude is fundamentally it's a negative for the crude price, and technically also it is showing us a strong sell signal. Then it will give us a double conviction in our trade, and we can trade with the multiple lots together. So it will be giving us a strong conviction, and we will able to trade with the will able to trade with multiple lots, and we'll able to achieve our targets quite easily instead of taking multiple trades together. So it's always important to be techno fundamental, and the same setup we are using in our genie, in our master's channel, as well as our curriculum. We need to learn the fundamentals as well as the technicals to become a pro in commodities. Before jumping to the technicals, as majority of the members are asking me that what sort of technicals you are teaching and what is your setup. So Ganesh sir, so before discussing that, I will be reverting your question as well. Here you people can see that our curriculum is covering all sort of fundamentals which are required to become a pro in commodity trading, as well as the technicals. Now in technicals, we start from very basic. Okay, say by candlestick patterns, chart patterns, divergences, uh, gap theory, Fibonacci levels, Bollinger Bands, special setup for intraday as well as for positional trading, and the most important is Ichimoku trading system, which is giving more than 90% of accuracy. Mayuri ma'am, as you were also asking me about the setup, what we are going to learn. So these are the few different setups that which we focus, and analysis and interpretation of economy and industry data. What are the factors, especially the effect of supply and demand? In the last webinar, there were we had more focused on the inventory data. We tried to look at the inventory data and how it has impacted to the price. So those who have missed last webinar, they can go through that. We always enjoy trading inventories and the effect of demand and supply, as these commodities are having actual application. Supply and demand impacts a lot, so we focus on that. All the inventories we try to learn in the live market. So this is the curriculum. It's a very exhaustive curriculum, and it is scheduled for 21 days, but it works it takes almost 21 to 29 days of live session. All the session have been scheduled in the live market. Yeah, so for further inquiry how to join our Telegram channel, you can contact the support team. Okay, they will guide you and they will help you for the same. Now coming to this, when we learn about the technical indicators and the technical analysis, first of all, what is technical analysis? So technical analysis help us to find out or help us to do the analysis based on the, yes, definitely I'll be forwarding you that also. Sachin sir, all the clarification would be in a live market. See, by you will, it is not only 21 days of learning. Wait, I'll be explaining that question as well. Don't worry. Yeah. Um, just a minute. I'll be showing you. You people are already knowing that what is technical analysis, right? Yes, yes. Just a minute. See, it is not only like the 21 days of live learning. Yeah, your question is valid, sir. See, 21 to 29 days of live session would be that. Again, you will be part of the batch 15. See, by right now, batch 15 is going on, batch 14 is going on. In the same way, you will be part of the batch 15 group where you can share your learnings, learn and earn together. Till now, batch 1 is quite active. Okay, till now, the groups are active, batch 1 to batch 14. Again, you will get a help of the Genie and Masters channel to learn together, and the recordings of the webinar. If you're missing on any recordings, then that recordings of batch 15 will be available to you for the complete next 1 year. And the offer right now is too good that here you people, if you are willing to start your learnings from today, then you can start your learning from today itself. See, by if you will be paying today, then due to this lockdown we have came out with this offer that you will be getting the recordings of batch 14 immediately today itself once you pay the fees. So you can go through recordings, then whenever the session would be in the live market, there would be no cut short in the live session. At that time you can ask your questions, and this recordings of the batch 15 would be there with you for the complete 1 year. In case still if you're not understanding few topics and if you want to do the recourse, then you can join batch 16, 17 or 18 as a refresher course without paying anything. Are you understanding? So yes, this is the best ever offer. If you want to start learning, you can take videos today itself. You can go through the complete recordings of the batch 13, which was a wonderful group, and they are doing wonderful job. So you will be getting the recordings of, even you can get the recordings of the live batch which is going on right now, batch 14. You can go through them. When batch 15 will start, you can be ready with your questions, and you can put or can do your clarification in a live market itself. Batch 15 recordings will be there with you all for the complete 1 year. Still, if you have any sort of confusion in any of the topic, you can join batch 16, 17 or 18, and you will be part of the batch 15 group. Already the batch 15 is one of the biggest group of the Phoenix Commodities. It will be privileged to be part of the batch 15 group where you will be getting continuous learning from your fellow learners. Are you understanding, Sachin sir? Is it clear? Yes. So the technical indicators, whenever the technical indicators or the technicals which we are using right now, it's like having its own pros and cons. Uh, and it varies, Sachin sir. See, I'm getting plenty of questions. Yeah, definitely. I'll be starting and working on the our upcoming session. We'll be discussing more on the technical setups which we are using. What are the pros and cons of that technical setup? There are leading indicators and lagging indicators. One, when is using any sort of indicator in their own setup, they should know what are the pros and cons of that setup. So that I'll be continuing in Thursday's session. And yes, Sachin sir, see the batch one, the strength of the batch varies from individual batch. So here you people can see this is a batch 14, this was a batch 13. So the number ranges from 75 or 50 to 100. Okay, so it varies. And yeah, first batch was 135 members. And see, the more the bigger the batch, the more sort of learning you people will be getting. Everybody would be sharing their own learnings, and there are many masters from the batch one. If you will be going through batch one, then you people will see that they are still learning and earning together. So batch 12 or batch 11, which was a huge batch of 93 members, till date they are enjoying learning and earning together. So here you people can see that it's the biggest collaborative learning platform where you share, learn, discuss your setup, discuss what you have learned, what had worked nicely in the live market, what is not working in the live market. So it's a continuous process. It's not a one time thing. It's a continuous process. Learnings never ends. And yes, those who are interested, feel free to take the offer which is going right now, because very few seats are left for the early bird offer. Then you will not able to get this early bird offer. I think hardly 2 to 3 seats are left for the batch 15 for this early bird offer. Yes, the 4 months genie is a big thing. Okay, when you are getting 4 months of genie and master's channel free, you just understand and just listen what Uday sir has to say. He is making 4 to 5K every day just in the crude oil last 12 days. So you people can understand that once you are learned, once you are investing in your learnings, and then you will be working on genie and masters channel, then you will be recovering your phase in just no time. You can start your genie after batch start. So for the further information about the batch, how it is helpful, how many months you will be getting free genie and masters channel, yeah, which is giving the huge value, you people can just contact our support team right now. They are available and they would be happy to guide you all. Be a part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel. Thank you guys for patiently engaging with me for the past 1 hour. I'm sure that you people got some basic insights about commodity market and its importance in India as well as in the world. Yeah. And so for the that's amazing, Girish sir. That's wonderful. Keep on doing the same thing. You are already the part of the batch 15. That's great. So please keep on doing that and just try to share for the continuous learning and update. First of all, be a part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel, as well as you can also ask your friends and relatives who are interested to follow us. Follow us on our website. You can be just go through the previous recordings of in our website which has been already uploaded. We won't be keeping this recordings for a long hours. We'll be changing it, so try for that. Yes, the minimum fund requirement, let me show you people that also. And the sir, Shrikant sir, those who have missed previous session, please go through that session, because I'm getting the same questions which I had already explained in the previous session. So yes, I can understand that in today's class there were many new members, but those who are experienced one, they won't be getting the value. So it's always better to go through this session, sir, and see the right now the margin requirement for trading commodities, Shrikant sir, is just in front of you all. As per today, as it is last updated on today, for natural gas, you need 16,000 rupees for a one lot, or for the zinc, for silver mini, for silver micro, you just need 4,000. For gold mini, you need 21,000 or 22,000. For crude oil, you need almost near to 47,291. So these are the capital which is required to trade in commodities. This is the minimum fund required to trade in commodities. If you focus on learning, you can start with one commodity, you can multiply your capital, use that same capital for trading other commodities as well as for your long-term investment. Is it clear? Yeah, hopefully all of you had enjoyed it. So Thursday we will be having Commodity Pathshala Part 6. Again, we'll be discussing the live market as well as the live levels. We'll try to focus on live levels as well as we'll make you all understand what are the pros and cons of the leading and lagging indicators. So that would be our agenda point for our upcoming Commodity Pathshala Part 7. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful uh, yeah, have a wonderful evening and follow the next commodity free channel for the continuous update. Yes, definitely. Happy Gudi Padwa, happy view, happy Vishu, everything. Yeah, thanks a lot. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, looking forward for the same.